If you're new to henna and looking for some tips to get started, here are a few key pointers. 1. Start simple. Begin with basic designs like dots, lines, and simple shapes. This will help you get comfortable with your cone and control the flow of the henna. 2. Practice on paper. Before applying henna to your skin, practice on paper or a plastic sheet. This lets you work on your design and technique without the pressure of getting it perfect on your skin right away. 3. Control the cone. Hold your henna cone like a pen and practice applying consistent pressure. This helps in creating smooth, even lines and prevents clogging. 4. Use light guidelines. Draw light pencil guidelines onto your skin to help with symmetry and spacing. These can be easily erased or faded once the henna is applied. 5. Be patient with drying. Let your henna design dry naturally for at least 30-40 minutes. Avoid touching it during this time to prevent smudges. 6. Try body paint for practice. If you're just starting out, practicing with body paint can be a great way to get the hang of your designs without the commitment of henna. 7. Have fun and experiment. Don't stress about perfection. Enjoy the process of creating your designs and experiment with different patterns to find what you love. Remember, every great artist started as a beginner. Keep practicing, stay relaxed, and most importantly, have fun with your henna designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!